Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. We're back with another video. This time around, I just want to give you guys some quick context. So basically, I lost all of my footage. So I bought this new hard drive that I was supposed to use to transfer all my footage, all my work, everything I've done in the last couple of months. Long story short, hard drive got damaged. I lost all the footage, so here we are. I was able to record a couple of things from my different devices, so I'm gonna put everything that I was able to find together for you guys to watch today. It's broken up footage, but it's still some amount of what I've been up to in the last couple of months, so I hope you guys enjoy it regardless. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Alright, what's up folks? Back again. It's almost Christmas. Tis the season. So right now, I'm on my way to Fairview. I'll take the road and get a couple things together before we get ready for Christmas Day. So I'm trying to navigate this crazy Jamaican Montego-Neon traffic right now. But before I get to shopping and running around, first things first, I'm starving. So I'm gonna stop at this spot that I actually go to ever so often. I usually go there after the gym, sometimes to get either food or like a protein shake if I feel lazy to make one at home. And it's this place called Daily Cafe. It's really nice. They sell a lot of like natural type of food, you know, not anything super duper processed. Everything's made fresh right there, so you can see, and super tasty stuff. So yeah, about to pull up now and head inside and order some food. Alright, so complete change of plans just now. I actually saw some people that I know from work. They love going to Uncorked, which is this other food establishment that was next to where I wanted to go just now. I ended up just having some food there and a drink with them, and now I'm back at it again. So first order of business right now though is I need to pick up some salmon and some shrimp. So I'm thinking to go to CPJ. So I'm gonna go ahead there now, and hopefully I don't have any more random run-ins that's going to take me away from my original plan. Alright, so mission salmon and shrimp is complete. Alright, so now I need to go by the appliance store that's not too far from here. I have a few more things together right there, and once I get through with that, then it's time to go home, package this stuff, get ready to head out to the spot for Christmas. So I'm actually gonna be checking in to an Airbnb that's in Kingston, but yeah, I'll update you guys more on that tomorrow once I get to the place and look through the place and stuff. Didn't find what I was looking for in Quartz just now. So I'm taking a walk to another store that's not too far away from where I just was. Hopefully they're open so I can check and find what I'm looking for. But yeah, I'm on quite the adventure today. Alright, another mission done, one more to go. Alright, mission number 3 complete. Oh my god, what a bit of a hassle this has been to a degree. But guess what, pre-Christmas shopping, so I guess it's kind of expected. What can you do? There's gonna be crowds everywhere. Everybody's gonna be in your way. Everybody's gonna be trying to grab what you're trying to grab. You can't find any parking. So it is what it is, but I'm just glad to be done now. And I head back to my car, get the hell out of here. So I'll catch you guys when I get to Kingston.
Alright, let me go for it. Alright, good. Alright, good, yeah.
Kingston time.
But walk with you. Right here. Alright.
Kind of tricky though. No man.
Ready?
Yep.
Good job.
I like it. 2-bedroom. My father isn't here yet, but me and the camera lady and my mother are here. Let's go get unpacked and settle our stuff in and then go on the road for some food. Because I'm starving. I'm very hungry right now. Yeah. Quick little supermarket run in progress, trying to figure out some stuff for breakfast. Good morning. All right, so hold on. Oh, okay, there we go. All right, so morning folks, Christmas Day, Merry Christmas. Just got out of bed fully and still have a couple more things to go get to complete the day. So when I get the day started, I have to head on the road and then come back, and then we're gonna finish prepping dinner and stuff. So yeah, come along for the ride.
Christmas Day.
In 300 meters, turn left.
Where you headed?
I'm going to Portmore to pick up some essentials for the day ahead. So I'm trying to figure my way around the place. Because yes, I live in Jamaica, but I don't know Kingston for shit. So I'm always lost whenever I come here.
Turn left on Perkins Boulevard.
But make it happen.
You remember the road? Yes,
It's
the
funny
way
though.
we drive.
Yeah.
Oh.
Which one? Just one. One alone is good enough. Alright, so get some ice now. Hopefully this is it. We'll be on Bizo and get the show cracking. Alright, so that's it, folks. I'm back home, finally back in Mobile. I hope you guys enjoyed a little, highlight of the Christmas Eve and Christmas Day shenanigans. And I'll see you guys again for New Year's. So, catch you guys later. Peace.